Let's continue with the third sum of exercise 2.2. As per the question, the base of an isosceles triangle is 4 upon 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 integer 2 by 15 centimeter. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? Now the first question, what is isosceles type of triangle? So isosceles triangle means any two sides equal. Any two side equal. This is the property of isosceles triangle. And one of the measurement is given. Okay. So we feel that the remaining two will be different. They have given the base. Base means this is the base. This much given. So other two we don't know. We find that this will be x. Okay. And they have given the perimeter. So perimeter formula is there. That is sum of all three sides. Perimeter of triangle. It means sum of all three sides. Okay. And they have given also what is the perimeter. So first side x, second side also x, third side 4 by 3, and sum of all sides, that is 4 integer 2 by 15 centimeter. So from this equation we can get an value of each side. Clear? Let's try to solve this given equation. So first sum, that is no denominator over here. So x upon 1 plus x upon 1 plus 4 by 3 and 15 4 is 60, 61, 62 by 15. I have made it in improper fraction. 1x, 1x. So it will be 2x plus 4 by 3. Okay, is equal to 62 by 50. Now I can send this like terms on the same side. So on the other side it will go to 62 by 15 minus 4 by 3. Clear? So 2x value we need to find the LCM. So LCM we are going to get. So what will be the LCM? LCM will be 15. So we want to make both this denominator 15. So I need to multiply this one also to make it 3 5s are. So obviously this 4 also with 5. So I am going to get, that is common denominator 15 means 62 and 5 4s are 20 over here. So 2x is equal to 62 minus, करना पड़ेगा ना अभी तो minus. Okay. So what we are going to get is 42. So 42 by 15. Even I can do, now 2 is over here. So means I need to find the value of x. Here it is in multiplication. So 42 divided by 2. Okay. So x is equal to 42 upon 15 divide to multiply. So it will be in the reciprocal like this. Now I can do in the reduced form. So 2 1s are and 2 21s are. So I am getting 21 by 50. So 3 7s are and 3 5s are 50. So 3 3 get cancelled. So I am getting 7 by 5. So value of x, or I can write in the mixed number also. So 1 integer 2 by 5 centimeter. This 1 centimeter. So both if you get, it is a correct answer. So value of x means one of the side we have got in isosceles triangle, that is x. So this will be also same one. Hope so clear. That will means 7 by 4 centimeter, and this also 7 by 4 centimeter. 5, sorry. Clear? This is the completion of third sum. We proceed for the fourth one. The fourth question says that the sum of two number is 95, but we don't know which are the two numbers. Okay? Any two numbers, and the difference means the sum means addition of that numbers will be 95. First number plus second number will be 95. Now what they are saying, the first, if that they differ by 15, means difference between the first number and second number is of 15. So we don't know what are those numbers. So therefore let one number be x. Therefore second number will be, maybe उससे 15 ज़्यादा हो सकता है, प्लस 15, डिफर बाय 15 मतलब इससे 15 ज़्यादा. ओके. Now as what they have said, the sum of these two numbers means first number plus second number, and that value is equal to 95. Okay. So using this equation we can solve. That is first number x, second number is x plus 15, and the summation of this means, that is why we have written plus, is 95. So this is our equation. We need to solve this equation. So x plus 15 is equal to 95. Here we get 1x plus 1x, it will be 2x plus 15 is equal to 95. So we need to find the value of 2x, that is 95 minus 15. Going to the other side of equal to. The sign changes from plus to minus 15. Now we will need to find the value, that is 2x is equal to what we have got, that will be 80. So we need to find the value of x only. So 80, and this 2 will be on the other side, and it will be the division. That will give us x is equal to 40. Now we can place it in this value, first number and the second number. So first number means x means 40, and second number x plus 15 means 40 plus 15, and that will give us 55. So this was the two numbers, and if we want to verify, we can check that if these were the two numbers by placing it in the value. Okay, so x plus 15 is equal to 95. So now the first number is this, that is 40, second number is 55, and the total is 95. So 95 is equal to 95. Clear? So LHS is equal to RHS. This is proved, and we have got that our answer is correct. You can yourself check your answer is correct. Hope so. This third and fourth sum also clear to you. Clear, friends? Hope you understood this, and we proceed further for the next.